Hello, and welcome to October 8th. I am waiting for the bus. It's a rainy day. Yeah, so I have my umbrella. Scenery is kind of beautiful with some of the rain clouds. But today I have morning classes. 2 of them I'm giving back tests and letting them study. And the third one, they're doing the test. I was supposed to do it last week, but it got canceled, so this week. So I have to correct those tests. And it's basically writing a whole page of dialogue, so it takes a while to correct. I see the bus. I gotta get ready for it. I went to the convenience store to buy a drink for the morning and a little coffee. As I walked out, someone took the last taxi, and because it's raining, and I got a lot of work I want to get done today because after tomorrow I'm on moving vacation. I was going to take a taxi to work so I can get there sooner, and it's raining. I am off work now, heading to get lunch and head home, but it's raining. For the junior high school first years, I decided that giving them the test back, and I'm turning in grades. I think I'm going to enter the grades tomorrow, because the test that I did today, I got that graded very fast. So I'll put in grades tomorrow. But those students that are basically failing the class, I decided I would make a couple prints for them to do. And instead of just free studying, they did my worksheet, basically. And if they're really stuck on it, I can help them like one-on-one, which is really nice. While all the other students who understood it, actually paid attention maybe, or whatnot, they can focus on other studies. I kind of like that because I can kind of just give that individual help to students who maybe falling behind a little bit, or we went through it so fast because we lost 2 months this school year. So I have decided to take a taxi home today. It's really rainy, and actually, because the bus wasn't running as frequent, I used to do this every Thursday. And next Thursday, I'm off work. And the Thursday after that, I'll be in the new house. So this is the last time I could take a taxi up the hill. Because even when we come back to check out and whatnot, we're probably going to take the bus because it's cheaper. Yeah. Oh. There's no taxi. Usually taxis are waiting. But I guess they're busy today because of the rain, so just gotta wait. There's one particular female taxi driver that drove me home a lot. So I would love to see her. Oh, here comes a taxi, my favorite type too. 願いします。The plants are overgrowing the walkway. I'm gonna get in the way of moving. Tadaima. Hi, Vanita. I see you. Oh, it's so good to be home. Put this in the washing machine. Hi, baby. You look so sad. What? Did Zuki make fun of you? Okay. Hi, baby. Hi. Come here. Hi. Mom. Hi. Let's recharge. We've been dealing with this for over an hour. Dealing with something, but also dealing with a moving helper. Like, I think they're like a third party that they set things up. They talk to you, and then they talk to the company, and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. We're on 2時間ぐらい今。2.5 hours of talking and dealing with this, calling shopping directly, calling back the company, because basically we were told that canceling the contract we have now and starting a new one. Vanilla happening. He was in the sink attacking the dishes. So yeah, so we were told that canceling the current contract we have now, starting a new one for the house that we're moving into, we can do the current campaign of getting basically construction money, installation money back slowly at over half a year. Like, they deduct it off your bill over 6 months. But when we went to cancel tonight, to cancel the current plan, they're like, oh, okay, no problem. That will be $400. And we're like, wait, what? So there was a lot of calling back and forth because we don't have to pay the $400 if we're technically moving the service, which we are. And so it was a lot of headaches. We ended up having to cancel the installation. Vanilla's going for bread. Canceling the installation for the 21st. And I was getting really like, are you serious? They're coming to do the same thing, but because you're canceling, you now have to go back into the system and reset your date of when you can come. You can hear my Karen in my voice, can't you? But it turns out it's only the next day. Not that bad. It's 22nd they're gonna come. There's a lot of headaches with moving. And we're actually still waiting on a callback to officially cancel the third party moving side of things. Yeah. Meow. All that, and we're still not finished. I am going to bed and kind of feeling a little under the weather. So I'm gonna go to bed. That is it for today. Tomorrow's Friday, and maybe work. We'll see if the typhoon hits before I leave for work and a Keho warning gets called or not, but we'll see tomorrow. Until tomorrow.